Hey, hope you're having a good day. Got this Spyderco Smock. New Smock. Limited edition exclusive folding knife. Cool. This one has like blasted aluminum handles. It's pretty nice. It's got the bigger pivots. Kind of like these. It's kind of like the pivots tie connector cells. I think that looks a lot better than the smaller one. Pretty cool. Got a little weight to it. I think the original one did too. Yeah, I like the metal scales. There's a little smock button. Smock lock button. Got a back flipper. Yeah. Made in Taiwan. Nice jimping. Feels good. Very good looking satin blade. These are in CPM crew wear. These are a 3.39 inch blade. Flick. That detent feels good on this. I had the other one, the black like G10 carbon fiber looking scales. I ended up not keeping that. I saw these come out. Kind of wanted to give the Smock another chance. I really like this one with these scales. Very, very cool. Yeah, pretty nice. Crew wear. I'm gonna have to keep it kind of oiled up. Crew wear is a good steel, but it's not stainless. So cut vegetables or fruits or some vegetables up, you'll get stains all over it. Yeah. This is mostly kind of for the collection. Might carry it once in a while. Really good slicey blade on these. Pretty deep hollow grind. Yeah. Another Smock in the collection. I really like this version. Looks really cool. That Smock button lock actuates the kind of compression lock, back lock thing they have. Yeah, the detent feels a lot better on this one than the last one I had. A lot happier with this. Heck yeah. Limited edition Smock. Such a cool blade. These are sweet. Slicey. 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 Awesome new Spyderco. Flick, flick, flick. Yeah, these are cool. There it is. Smock limited edition. Hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.